A lot of you are seeing people make life-changing money from TikTok Shop and you want to do the same thing, but you're probably not as prepared as you think you are. You see, a lot of times when you start a new business or venture, you get excited, you don't know much about it, and it's a lot easier in your head than it actually is. What this leads to is 90% of people who try TikTok Shop give up in the first month because they weren't prepared. So the goal of this video is to give you a checklist of everything you need before you even pull the trigger to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. Some of these things might seem like common sense, but they're often overlooked, so make sure not to skip any parts of this video, even if you think you already have what it takes. So with that being said, let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want is obviously a phone to record videos and post to TikTok. Every single one of you should have that, so good job, you at least have something. The second thing you're going to want is access to good lighting. This is extremely important because if your videos are not visually pleasing, people will scroll right away. And the algorithm will have a hard time recognizing what your video is about, so it might not categorize your video if it's too dark. Good lighting could be an area near a window or some sort of lamp or LED light. This is what I use for all of my videos. It turns all the way up like this to light up my face, and it goes down over my desk to light up any products that I'm showcasing. This was like 20 bucks on Amazon and I've had it for like 5 years and it gets the job done. After all this time, it's only just a little squeaky, but that's about it. The third thing you'll want is good audio. This is another thing that is very important because once again, if a video is not visually pleasing, people will scroll. And again, this is also very important for optimizing a video. If the TikTok AI can't understand what you're saying, it won't categorize your video, meaning it won't know who to show your video to. Typically, your iPhone audio should be good enough, but if not, then you can get a lavalier mic or some plug-in headphones. Another important thing to note is you should probably learn where to speak into your phone for the best sounding audio. Every phone is different depending on where the speakers are. You should just record videos talking into the top of your phone, the middle of your phone, and to the bottom of your phone, and then just compare the videos and whichever one sounds the best, stick with that. The fourth thing you'll want is a place to store video ideas and scripts. If you don't know anything about content creation, the most important parts of a video are the idea and the hook. So a place to store those ideas and keep track of each video is great to have. You can use Google Sheets, Google Docs, or my personal favorite, Notion. And these are all free, by the way. The fifth thing you'll want is an email for brands to message you. Once you start posting to TikTok Shop, you're gonna get a lot of brands reaching out to you wanting to send you free products. Now, they all message you through the TikTok Shop messaging system, and that system sucks. It's super glitchy. In fact, it's so glitchy that it's basically unusable. This leads to you missing out on a lot of free products, and if you do message a brand, the chances are they can't see your message because it's just as glitchy for them too. So having an email button on your account can get you a lot more free products as well as paid brand deals, which I'll talk about another time. So I just make a separate email just for brands to message, and I make mine on the Gmail app. It's also completely free. You just go to the app, click on your profile in the top right corner, click on add another account, click on Google, and then click on create account. And then the app will guide you through the rest. The sixth thing you'll want is a clear camera. Now, this typically comes with most phones nowadays, but all you want is something that isn't grainy, shoots in at least 30 FPS, and you want to make sure to remove any dirt or smudges from the camera. This combined with good lighting will make your videos very visually pleasing as long as they're filmed in a good location. And last, the seventh thing you'll need is at least 2 hours of free time per day. You need to realize that this isn't as easy as just filming a quick video and calling it a day and hoping for it to blow up. What goes into this is studying viral videos, product research, video ideation, studying your own videos, studying your target audience, messaging brands, and so much more. One of my favorite quotes is money flows where the attention goes. And it's true. The more attention that you put into this, the higher chance you'll have of succeeding. For those of you who don't have everything that I listed, I'll leave a link in the description for you. Once you have all of these things, you are ready to move on to your next stage of your TikTok Shop journey, which is becoming eligible and signing up. So if you are ready for that, then I'll see you in the next video.